Today we're going to talk about creating a public map. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the event database record, and in the background information you can upload an event logo. Then in the map display information you can set the map to be to have a public map if you want to. You can set different criteria you want maybe to display the sustainability information or the logo on the map. And then what you can do is you can add vendors or sponsors logos. You put their name, their logo, and a link that you want to link to, either uh, the company website or maybe for food vendors you want to link to their menu. Then we'll go to the map itself that you're building, and you will see that all the vendor names appear in the drop down in the object information palette. And so what you want to do is you want to select an item on the map that you want to associate with a vendor by selecting the vendor for this appropriate item. Also, don't forget to mark these items as exportable to the public map if you want to see them on the public map. Then you'll save your map, you will open the project setting palette, and you will preview the public map. And so you see all the markers, you can see pop-ups, and this is the website map that you can maybe link to from your event website. And this here is we're simulating what it would look on a phone for the public when they're at the event. They can look at the map on their phone. They can filter different items. In this particular instance, maybe they want to look for a vegan food vendor. And if they enable their geolocation, they'll see where they are vis-a-vis these vendors. And they can link to their menus if they want. And then at the bottom, we've got the sustainability information, which links to a page where the public can actually see all the sustainable choices that are available at the event. And they'll see an explanation of these choices. For instance, mass transit is available and the number of these locations at the event. Finally, the really powerful thing about our map system is that if you make changes in your event layout, maybe last minute changes because there's flooding or a vendor changed their location, these changes will automatically be reflected in the map that the public accesses. Thank you.